The first step you will need to do is pull the lace tight and make a basic knot. After that, then you want to make 2 loops. After you make the 2 loops, you're going to crisscross the loops so they are on the opposite side of their normal position. Next, tuck one bunny ear under and pull it through. Next, we will show you how to double knot it. First, you need to pull the lace tight and make a basic knot. Next, you want to make 2 loops. Next, crisscross the loops. Next, tuck one bunny ear under and pull it through. Lastly, crisscross the loops again, tuck one under, and pull through. Congratulations, you know how to successfully tie your shoe.